Trigonometry, lesson 14, allied angles of theta. Today, the lesson is trigonometrical ratios of the allied angles 270 plus or minus theta. Consider a circle of radius r units whose center is the origin of the coordinate axis. Let the center is O. Now, consider a sector of this circle whose radius is r units. Let the central angle of the sector is theta degrees. One edge of the sector is along with x-axis and the other edge is at an angle theta degrees. Let OA is along with the x-axis and therefore it is at 0 degrees angle. OP is another ray which is at theta angle. Since the central angle is theta, it is at theta angle. Let the coordinates of the point P are x, y. Since P is in quadrant 1, we know that the quadrant 1, the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is positive. Therefore, the x, y of P are positive. Here is a sector exactly identical equal to this sector. Let us see and place it on it. The edges exactly coincide. Therefore, this is exactly equal to the sector on the both. Now, here the sticks attached at the edges represents the rays OP ray, OA ray. The ray OA is at 0 degrees and the ray OP is at theta degrees. Draw perpendicular from P onto x-axis. The perpendicular is PM. As the coordinates of P are xy, the perpendicular PM is equal to the y coordinate. Therefore, this is y. And the distance from origin to the foot of the perpendicular is x coordinate. Therefore, this is x. Now, place the sector here. Since we are going to study about the allied angles 270 plus or minus theta, we have to rotate the sector through 270 degrees. To rotate to 270 degrees means the ray OA at 0 degrees after rotation through 270 degrees takes the position OD at 270 degrees. So, we have rotated the ray OA through 270 degrees, and at 270 degrees rotation, the OA position is OD and the OB position is OV. Since this is radius is R, this is also R, the angle theta here, this also theta here. What happens when sector is rotated through an angle theta degrees. Let us see. The perpendicular distance here, which is y coordinate, becomes horizontal here. Therefore, this distance is this distance. Therefore, since this is y, this is also y. Like that, the horizontal distance O to M becomes, after rotation, O to M after rotation becomes O to L, this distance. Therefore, OPM equal to LV, VL. Since this is y, this is also y. OM equal to OL. Since this is x, this is also x. Generally, the vertical distance is y coordinate, horizontal distance is x coordinate. Here, when the sector is at this position, the horizontal distance is y. This horizontal distance is generally taken as x coordinate. Therefore, this is x coordinate. The x coordinate is towards positive direction. Therefore, the y is plus y. Since this is vertical distance, this distance is actually this is the vertical distance, but this distance is equal to this distance. Therefore, this is a vertical distance. This vertical distance generally taken as y coordinate. Therefore, x is y coordinate. But the y coordinate is towards negative direction. The y is negative here. Therefore, the x is taken as minus x. Therefore, for the point V, the x coordinate is plus y and the y coordinate is minus x. We know that in Q4, in quadrant 4, x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. Therefore, x coordinate positive, y coordinate is negative, satisfied. Now, so the point P after rotation through an angle 270 degrees plus theta. This angle is 270 degrees. This ray up to this ray 270 plus theta. That means this total angle is 270 plus theta angle. This one. This total angle is up to this. The total angle is 270 plus theta degrees in positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So, the OV ray represents the ray at 270 plus theta degrees. 270 degrees plus theta. Now, the coordinates of V are plus y minus x. Here, point V coordinates plus y minus x, and that ray is at 270 plus theta degrees. Therefore, let us write the trigonometric ratios for this point and for this point. For this point, already written. Sin theta, according to the definition, sin theta is y coordinate by r, where r is radius. But radius is always positive. Therefore, this is r should be taken as positive r. Y coordinate by r, that is equal to y by r. Cos theta, x coordinate by r. These are the definitions. So, these definitions already written on the board, and the values are written here. Now, for this 270 plus theta, 270 degrees plus theta radian, plus theta angle, let us write the trigonometrical ratios. Sin 270 plus theta equal to, what is the definition of sin? Y coordinate by r. For this point, the y coordinate is minus x. Therefore, minus x by r. This equal to minus of x by r. That equal to minus, what is x by r with respect to theta? X by r is cos theta. Therefore, instead of x by r, write cos theta. Minus cos theta. This is minus x by r is cos theta. Similarly, cos 270 degrees plus theta. What is the definition? Cos x coordinate by r. Here the x coordinate is plus y. Therefore, plus y by r. This equal to, what is y by r? Y by r is sin theta. Therefore, this is sin theta. Tan 270 degrees plus theta. Tan definition is y coordinate by x coordinate. Here the y coordinate of point V is, y coordinate is minus x by plus y. This equal to minus of x by y. What is minus of x by y? X by y is cos theta. Therefore, this is minus cot theta. Cot 270 plus theta. Cot 270 plus theta means x coordinate by y coordinate. X coordinate y by y coordinate minus x. This equal to minus of y by x. This equal to, what is y by x here? With respect to theta, y by x is tan theta. Therefore, minus, this minus tan theta. Now, sec 270 degrees plus theta. Sec definition is r by x coordinate. R positive, x coordinate y. Plus y. R by y. R by y is cosec theta. Therefore, cosec theta. Cosec 270 degrees plus theta. What is the definition? R by y. R by y means r by y coordinate is minus x. Therefore, minus x. This equal to minus of r by x. This equal to minus of r by x means r by x is sec theta. Therefore, this is minus sec theta. Now, after this, now place the sector here. Invert the sector laterally like this. Due to lateral inversion about y-axis, the V point enters into the quadrant Q3. Quadrant 3. V point, which is at in Q4, enters into Q3. In Q4, the coordinates are positive and negative, but in Q3, the coordinates are negative, negative. After V enter into the third quadrant, the V changes to U, and the coordinates, the sign of y coordinate, x coordinate changes as minus y. This is plus y, x coordinate. This plus y changes to minus y due to lateral inverse through y axis. the x coordinate remains as it is. That is, the coordinates here are minus y, minus x. X coordinate is minus y coordinate is minus x for u point. Now, let us write the trigonometrical ratios of this point. This point is the total angle from here, from this ray to the edge of green color is 270 degrees. This is total angle is 270. This angle is theta degrees. Therefore, the remaining angle, this is 270 minus theta. Therefore, this represents 270 degrees minus theta. That is, this ray represents 270 minus theta angle. Therefore, U is a point at 270 minus theta. Now, let us write for this point. U point is point U minus y minus x. That is, the x coordinate is minus y and y coordinate is minus x. At 270 degrees minus theta angle. Therefore, let us write for this. Sine 270 degrees minus theta. What is the definition of sine? Sine definition is y coordinate by r. Therefore, y coordinate minus x by r. This is equal to minus of x by r. With respect to theta, x by r is cos theta. Therefore, this is minus cos theta. Therefore, sine 270 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Cos 270 degrees minus theta. Cos definition is x coordinate by r. X coordinate here, u, for u, the x coordinate is minus y. Therefore, minus y by r. This is equal to minus of y by r. This is equal to minus, what is y by r? Sin theta. Therefore, minus sin theta. Tan 270 minus theta. Tan definition is y coordinate by x coordinate. Therefore, y coordinate minus x by x coordinate minus y. This is minus get cancelled, x by y. But x by y is cot theta. Therefore, this is cot theta. So, tan 270 degrees minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 270 degrees minus theta. Cot 270 degrees minus theta. Cot definition is x coordinate by y coordinate. Here the x coordinate is minus y by y coordinate is minus x. Therefore, minus get cancelled, y by x. This is equal to what is y by x? Tan theta. Therefore, this is tan theta. Sec 270 minus theta. Sec definition is r by x coordinate. R by x coordinate here is minus y. That is minus of r by y. But r by y is cosec theta. Therefore, this is minus cosec theta. Cosec 270 degrees minus y is r by y coordinate definition. Therefore, r by y coordinate is minus x. Therefore, r by minus x. This is minus r by x. But minus r by x is sec theta. Therefore, this is minus sec theta. Thus, the trigonometrical ratios of allied angles 270 degrees plus theta and 270 degrees minus theta are derived.